How to convert local time string to UTC. How do I convert a datetime string in local time to a string in UTC time? I'm sure I've done this before, but can't find it, and so will hopefully help me, and others, do that in future. Clarification: for example, if I have September 17, 2008 14 column 02 column 00 in my local time zone, plus 10, I'd like to generate a string with the equivalent UTC time, September 17, 2008 04 column 02 column 00. Also, from this URL, note that in general this isn't possible, as with DST and other issues there is no unique conversion from local time to UTC time.
First, parse the string into a naive datetime object. This is an instance of datetime.datetime with no attached timezone information. See its documentation. Use the pytz module, which comes with a full list of timezones plus UTC. Figure out what the local timezone is, construct a timezone object from it, and manipulate and attach it to the naive datetime. Finally, use datetime.asTimezone method to convert the datetime to UTC. Source code, using local timezone America, Los_Angeles, for the string the 3rd of February 2001 10:11 and 12 seconds. From there, you can use the stufTime method to format the UTC datetime as needed.
Thanks. At roughly, the full conversion from string to string is as follows. My summary of the time/calendar functions: time.striptime, string dash, tuple, no time zone applied, so matches string. Time.nctime, local time tuple dash, seconds since epoch, always local time. Time.comtime, seconds since epoch dash, tuple in UTC, and calendar.timem, tuple in UTC dash, seconds since epoch. Time.localtime, seconds since epoch dash, tuple in local time zone.
Note, as of 2020 you should not be using .upno or .ut from timestamp XXX. As you've presumably moved onto Python 3, you should be using timezone-aware datetime objects. For details, see this URL. Original answer from 2010. The datetime module's upno function can be used to obtain the current UTC time. As the link mentioned above by Tom, this URL says UTC is a time zone without daylight saving time and still a time zone without configuration changes in the past. Always measure and store time in UTC. If you need to record where the time was taken, store that separately. Do not store the local time plus time zone information. Note, if any of your data is in a region that uses DST, use pytz and take a look at John Milliken's answer. If you want to obtain the UTC time from a given string and you're lucky enough to be in a region in the world that either doesn't use DST, or you have data that is only offset from UTC without DST applied, dash using local time as the basis for the offset value. Dash or from a known offset using datetime.timeDelta. Update. Since Python 3.2 datetime.timezone is available, you can generate a timezone-aware datetime object with the command below. If you're ready to take on timezone conversions, go read this. This URL.
Here's a summary of common Python time conversions. Some methods drop fractions of seconds and are marked with S. An explicit formula such as TS equals D epoch / unit can be used instead, thanks JFS. Struct_time, UTC +6 S. Calendar.timem, struct_time, naive datetime, local +6 S. Calendar.timem, stz.localize, dt, is_dst equals none, .uptim tuple. Exception during DST transitions, see comment from JFS, naive datetime, UTC, PA6, S. Calendar.timem, dt.uctim aware datetime PA6, S. Calendar.timem, dt.uctim PA6 struct _time, UTC, S. Time.conTime, T. See comment from JFS, naive datetime, local, struct _time, UTC, S. stz.localize, dt, is _dst equals none, uctim tuple. Exception during DST transitions, see comment from JFS, naive datetime, UTC, struct _time, UTC, S. dt.uctim tuple, aware datetime struct _time, UTC, S. dt.uctim tuple. PA6 naive datetime, local. Datetime.from timestamp, t, none. May fail in certain conditions, see comment from JFS below, struct _time, UTC, naive datetime, local, S. Datetime.datetime, struct _time, column 6, sinfo equals UTC, estimazone, tz, replace, sinfo equals none. Can't represent leap seconds, see comment from JFS, naive datetime, UTC, naive datetime, local. dt.replace, sinfo equals UTC, estimazone, tz, replace, sinfo equals none, aware datetime naive datetime, local. dt.estimazone, tz, replace, sinfo equals none. PA6 naive datetime, UTC. Datetime.uc from timestamp, t, struct _time, UTC, naive datetime, UTC, S. Datetime.datetime, asterisk struct _time, column 6. Can't represent leap seconds, see comment from JFS, naive datetime, local, naive datetime, UTC. stz.localize, dt, is _dst equals none, estimazone, UTC, replace, sinfo equals none. Exception during DST transitions, see comment from JFS, aware datetime naive datetime, UTC. dt.estimazone, UTC, replace, sinfo equals none. PA6 aware datetime. Datetime.from timestamp, t, tz. May fail for non-PYTZ time zones, struct _time, UTC, aware datetime, S. Datetime.datetime, struct _time, column 6, sinfo equals UTC, estimazone, tz. Can't represent leap seconds, see comment from JFS, naive datetime, local, aware datetime. stz.localize, dt, is _dst equals none. Exception during DST transitions, see comment from JFS, naive datetime, UTC, aware datetime. dt.replace, sinfo equals UTC. Source, ta6burns.ca.
Flash